How to edit checkout page in Wix.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create your own checkout page and how to change the settings of it and everything you need to know about the checkout page. In fact, it's really easy to do and it's going to last you only 5 minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you a quick example how to create a website from scratch and then create a checkout page. Let's start step by step. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account on Wix.com. So as you can see, I have already created one. Then just click on create new site and it's going to load a offer page where it's going to offer us to use their AI chat, but not going to use it. So just click setup without the chat. So the next step is going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. So if you want to have a checkout, I'd rather think that you are creating an online store. So I just click on here, an online store, then click continue, and we are good to go. So the next step is going to prepare our dashboard, and we need to create a name for our website. So as an example, I'm going to name it just a shop for you to understand. So I had a clothes shop, right now it will be just a shop. So the next thing is going to ask you, do you already have an online store? We just starting out, or yes, I'm already selling online. Then click continue, and it's going to ask you what kind of products you are selling. So here you can sell physical products, drop shipping products, services, digital products, print on demand products, and I'm going to show you for an example how to add physical products. So then click continue, and here it's going to ask you how you're offering your products. I'm just going to stay on a tick with the online store. So then click continue. Okay, we are all set, everything is good to go. Then click on continue to dashboard, and we are ready to create our website. So in order to create a quick website, I'm just click on here, design your website, right here. Then it's going to load a list of templates. Right now you're going to choose how would you like to design your website, by the generative of AI technology, or customize a already made template. So I'm going to choose this variant, customize a template. So just click pick a template, and it's going to load a dashboard for you with all the templates that can be offered for you. So here you just choose by your heart whatever templates suits your shop best. For example, I really like this one. I just click on edit right here, and it's going to load the editor's page in seconds. So it's really too easy to create a checkout page, and right now I'm going to show you how to do it. So in order to start selling, we need an app called Wix app. So it can be loaded by yourself, or it can be loaded already by Wix in order you have answered those questions. So as you can see, here is our website. This section, so we just need to wait a bit, and I'm going to show you the section that is connected to your shop. So as you can see, every page of the website is divided by the sections. The first one is the footer, no, sorry, it's the header, and the last one is the footer, and a lot of sections of your website. So here is the section that is connected to your shop. It's called products one. So you can see that you can add more sections connected to the store. So for example, if you want to change it, for example, for the new arrivals, I just click here and it was added right here, explore by the category. So okay, so here is our section, it have been loaded. Here it is, the new arrivals. So we have 3 sections divided to our store. So in order to create a checkout page, we need to go add apps. no, sorry, we don't need to go to the add apps. We need to manage our existing app, and it's called Wix app. Wix store, sorry. So as you can see here, we have a small button that is asking us to manage the product. So right now we don't see it, but if we right click on a section, and it's going to be right here. So here you can see manage products. So you just click on manage products, and you need to see that the catalog, you have a catalog, and there you have a product. So if you're creating your shop, you need to add every your product to it. So it's not really hard to do. You just need to wait it for load. Okay, so and the next step, we are going to go to the manage apps. So it's loading very slow, so I'm not going to okay, so it's loaded. As you can see, there is an example products. They are all type of physical. You can click here to add a new product, then you can export or import already existing products. You can install Hop to turn followers into customers, but we don't really need it right now. So what we're gonna do is to go to the apps and then manage apps. So it's going to load right now, and I'm going to quickly show what to do to create a page that we need. So right now we didn't manage to edit our shop, so it's not going to really work right now because we haven't added any products. We just need to go to the manage apps. I don't know why it's loading too slow. Okay, so maybe okay, so everything is loaded. So you have see here what apps your website does have. So it have the Wix reviews, Wix members area, Wix checkout requirements, Wix FAQ. So and here we have a Wix stores. So all you need is Wix checkout requirements and Wix store. So I just click on open the Wix store. Okay, so it have opened our products, but we don't really need them. So in order to you cannot really see your checkout page by the preview. So let's see right now how it's gonna look. So I'm just going to choose, for example, this product in a black variant, then click on buy now, and here it's going to offer you to connect payment methods to your site. So you just click on connect payment methods, and when you are ready connecting them, I don't really need them because it's just an example. I'm going to show you there you need to go next, and you see the so the sales or getting paid. So in order to make it, you need to connect and set up. So here you see connect payment method, just click on it. You already have payment methods connected, go to accept payments. So right now, don't know why I'm in Russia. So for example, I'm in Mexico. Okay, so I cannot really add payment methods right now, but here you see all the payment methods. So in order, then you see the checkout page. So if you have this information have helped you, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.